All right, hello everyone. This is Trey Snodgrass. It's Tuesday, January the 17th. It's about 8:30 p.m. my time. So I'm kind of winding down finally from the day. Today has been a very active day. Today was day one for me with launching Guaranteed Leads. I've had a very successful day. That's the reason for this video. I just wanted to give a little bit of update to everybody. As a matter of fact, I have not logged in since about noon today. That's how busy I've been. So I'm gonna do that real time so that you can see the feedback and the results that we've had so far. Just sent one email this morning, and I've been helping a lot of people through the day get registered, get signed up, and I'm gonna show you the income in just a moment, just as a testimonial. But as you can see, wow, look at there, 64 contacts. The page has been viewed over 300 times. And this is what I love the most. While I've been doing the work that I've been doing, 66 emails have been sent on my behalf by this system. And with these 64 contacts, they're over here in this column under contacts. I'm not going to go there because I want to save these people's information. But I can upload that to my my autoresponder as well, which I will do at some point, so that I can provide even more value and tips and training for those that are connected with me, especially those that have joined that are actually members now. They're going to get even more details, more training, more of my personal time, so that I can show them what I'm doing with the system and how we're using these leads in several different ways for many of the programs we promote. Okay. All right. But for this video, I wanted to show my phone. You all know me. I'm always trying to be very transparent with my earnings and everything. Now, we'll go ahead and put the disclaimer here. This is for illustration purpose only. This is just the results that I've experienced today. Cannot guarantee any of the same success with you, but with a system like this and with the tools that we're showing you, I wanted to show you what's possible and what's happening. I don't think I've had anybody with Cash App today. So I'm going to start with my PayPal. Now, as you can see, there's $100 there from well, it just went up. So $112 for PayPal. And that's not only from Guaranteed Leads, that's, just all the things I do online. But I know at least one of those payments is from Guaranteed Leads, and I think a partial of another or something like that. So that's PayPal. All right. And then Venmo, as you can see, $138. I should be adding this up. All right. So it's 112 from PayPal, 138 here from Venmo. And then those that have paid through PayPal, through Stripe, through their credit cards, debit cards, it's $368 that's pending, that's available throughout the course of this week. So that's an additional $368. So you're looking at a little over $600. $600 in one day so far. As a matter of fact, my phone just went off. Looked like I just had somebody else. Who joined. So if I can show you that real time, let me see if I can do that real quick. Yep, here it is. As you can see, a new GL referral, and that's actually somebody who's created their account and about to pay, or either has paid by now to join. They've just enrolled, and it's 8:39 p.m. As you can see, that just came in, and that's number 7 for today. So 7 times $75, that's about a little over $500 for sure that I know I've earned through Guaranteed Leads alone, just with those getting signed up, and not to mention some of the affiliate commissions that have come in as well. So a very powerful system indeed. Again, this is day one, and haven't even finished following up. I had to take care of a few other things, and so we'll get into it a little bit more tomorrow and over the next few days. And what I love about this is those people now have a chance to get some nice leads, to get several different options of ways to generate leads to their websites. I promote several programs, and I'm still earning affiliate commissions from those programs. Even though I've been out sick, I haven't even really been online last couple of weeks. Man, I wish I had time to show you. I'm still earning a nice consistent income, and that's the beauty of what we do from home. If you spend time and work and do the things you need to when you're able to, then you can enjoy downtime. You can enjoy a time with your family. That's what this is for, is time freedom. And whether I work or do anything or not, I still have an income coming in. As a matter of fact, with Live Good just getting started, it was added to Matrix Empire, and I plan to kind of share that with my team along with another marketing system that we'll be using for Live Good. But I've earned about $800, I believe, with Live Good so far. And then I just earned, I got paid $2,000 from Matrix Empire. As a matter of fact, let me show you that real quick. And this is passive income for me. I hadn't even really promoted Matrix Empire in a while. People was wondering, am I still working them? I mean, yeah, I still have the system. As you can see, there it is, $2,434 that's available that I need to transfer over to my bank account that I was just paid from a program that's working on autopilot. And the beautiful thing about it, Live Good was just added to it a couple of weeks ago as one of the third income option. So the explosion that we're experiencing with Live Good is going to trickle in over there. But now with Guaranteed Leads, we now have a system that we can send to our leads, and it's done on autopilot. Follow-ups are done. It's just really a smart, sleek system. And the beautiful thing is you can promote whatever you want with these leads. So anyway, like I said, I'm gonna jump off this. Just wanted to get this video shot real quick before I wind down, do the last of my follow-ups, and try to set up things for tomorrow. So hopefully I can get a lot more done. For the dozens and the many of people that are working their way through this system, man, I'm telling you, I hope you enjoyed as much as I have. I've had the privilege of talking to some amazing people today, and the buzz and the excitement around the things that are taking place as this new year gets going is just amazing. And I want to try to do what I can to provide all the tools and resources that I know works so that all of you can have as much success as possible, okay? And right as I'm getting ready to sign off, I just got notification. Let me refresh this page and show you there's a commission waiting now. There's the other commission. And as you can see, $75 waiting. I actually talked to Kelvin. I know he doesn't mind me sharing it. He and I talked earlier. I knew he'd be joining. And he's a phenomenal marketer, and this is going to help him. But watch, all you got to do when someone pays, if they pay by credit card, it's approved automatically. But it looks like he paid... Yeah, it looks like he just paid by Cash App. There it is right there. So as you can see, I told you I didn't have one earlier. Now I do through Cash App. So I'm going to go ahead and approve him real time so you can see how this works. All you got to do is hit the approve button. It'll turn blue for you to make sure and confirm. Anyway, he's now good. He's in the system as a paid member, and he can now put in his links and start sharing with his team and with his people and earn $75 over and over again. That's it. That's how simple and easy it is. Plus, he can get his lead campaign set up. I'm actually going to reach out to him now and make sure he does that. So, all right, guys, that's my time. Thought I was getting ready to wind down. Look like I got a little bit more work to do, but I love this part where we actually helping people. So enjoy the system. Look out for some more content and videos coming over the next few days, next few weeks, really. I'm going to take my time and put some good content out while I'm helping people along. All right, that's my time. Take care. We'll talk soon. Bye.